In this video, you'll learn how to sign in to Gmail, whether you're using Gmail for the first time on a new device or you just need a quick refresher. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to do. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail. There are a couple of common ways to do this. On a computer, you can open any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and in the address bar at the top, type gmail.com, then press enter. If you're on a phone or tablet and you have the Gmail app installed, simply tap the Gmail icon to open it. Either way, you should end up on the Gmail sign-in page or on a Google page that asks you to continue to Gmail. Once Gmail is open, you'll see a place where you can enter your email. This is your full email address that's connected to your Google account, usually ending in @gmail.com. Click or tap in the box and carefully type your email address. Take a quick moment to double check for any typos, especially letters that look similar, like O and 0. If you're using a shared or public computer, think about whether you actually want the browser to remember this email, since that can affect your privacy. When your email is entered correctly, click or tap the next button. This tells Google to move on and check which account you're trying to sign into. The page will refresh, and now you'll see a new field where you can enter your password. In the password box, type the password for your Gmail or Google account. Passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters and make sure your keyboard's caps lock isn't accidentally turned on. You'll usually see the characters appear as dots for security. If there's an option to show or hide the password, only use that if no one else can see your screen. If you're on your personal device and you feel comfortable, you may see an option to stay signed in or to let the browser remember your login. This can make future sign-ins faster, but on a shared computer, it's safer to leave that unchecked so other people can't access your email. After you've entered your password and checked that everything looks right, click or tap the sign in button. Gmail will take a moment to verify your information. If everything is correct, you'll be taken to your Gmail inbox, where you can see your emails, compose new messages, and manage your mail. If instead you see an error message, it usually means your email or password was typed incorrectly. In that case, try re-entering them slowly. If you still can't sign in, you may need to use Google's account recovery options, which appear as links on the same page. That's all there is to it. You open Gmail, enter your email, click next, type your password, and click sign in. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very quick and routine.